here at Ladybower Reservoir itself. The main reason I've come here, as you'll probably guess by now, it's very popular for its sinkholes, of which there are actually two. You only ever see one photographed at any time, but there are two of them. There's one at each end of the dam. I'm pretty sure when I drove past I did see some other photographers, so I might see if the one at the other end of the dam is vacant, and then get shooting. I'll tell you what I'm doing.
Till I find another sky.
Yeah, so this is pretty cool. It's massive as well. A lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. Right, I'm very close to it by here as well. So I'll get wide angle out. I'll see what I'm able to come up with. Otherwise I might have to go onto the dam itself to capture it. Just taking a couple of quick little test shots at 11mm, and I can just about get the whole thing in. So I'm going to try a few different exposures to get some differences in showing the flow of water, and using the ND filter to try and smooth it out, that kind of thing. And then I might try a couple of other different compositions, different locations. So let's go. That's pretty cool. I think I'm going to head onto the dam itself now, see if I can get any other compositions from there. Yeah, I was just chatting to a couple of photographers as well, Canon users, but there we are, each to their own there. Found the second sinkhole, see behind me. It's pretty sunny right now. Yeah, literally one at either side of the dam. This is the main dam on Ladybower. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It seems a lot quieter on this end, which is ideal, and you can get a slightly wider vantage point as well. On the other side I was basically right up against the wall by there, and especially with the polarizer on I had to go right to 11mm, and it started vignetting with the polarizer on there, which isn't ideal, but there we are. Yeah, I'm going to get a couple more shots around here, and then I can see a fair bit of black cloud approaching in the distance, and I've got work in 3 hours. That's a 2-hour drive. So yeah, I'll post a few images from the reservoir in a second. Thank you very much for watching. as always. Please give it a like if you liked it. Leave a comment. I'm always happy to answer any questions regarding the videos. And subscribe if you want to see more as well. So thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Ta-ra.